Hey guys, hope you are doing super fabulously today. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about toner. Why do we use toner? What's it for? What are the skincare benefits? And why is it really important for our makeup routine? If you didn't really understand what toner is, or you still don't, or maybe you do understand but you want to get some top tips on the sort of ones to use out there, make sure you stay tuned. Toner for me, in years gone by, I just had a really bad experience with. I used to use a brand, I'm not going to name and shame, and I got introduced to the whole skincare regime. I must have been like 13 or 14 years old, even maybe a little bit older, and I used this specific toner on my skin, and I just felt like it stripped my skin of all its natural goodness. There was an ingredient in it called salicylic acid and a few other really strong ingredients which just stripped my skin, and I had really sensitive skin when I was younger, and by putting this particular toner on my skin, it basically messed my skin up, and it took a long time for my skin to fix itself. And so from then, I've been very anti-toners, but as the years have gone by, you know, the last sort of 20 years or so, I had to do the maths then because I'm 36 or 37, I don't know, I always forget how old I am. I think when you get over 30, you just forget, it just rolls into one, doesn't it? Anyway, I'm going off topic. Over the years, toner has changed, and toner originally was created to remove any excess makeup, to get rid of any just dirt and grime on the face that maybe your cleanser hasn't got rid of. Obviously you've got double cleansing for that now, and toners now come in lots of different types, a bit like primer. So you can have toner that, for example, by PIXI, these are two of my favourite ones, which is the Vitamin C Tonic, Vitamin C and Ferulic Acid Brightening Toner. So if you are feeling like you have really dull skin and that dull complexion, ingredients like vitamin C, which is so important to our skin because of its benefits of brightening, and the ferulic acid as well to help rebalance our skin and help the texture of our skin feel really smooth, is really important. The nasty ingredients from over the years have actually disappeared from a lot of the toners out there. So this is your toner. What you would also do is, once you have cleansed your face, you would use your toner straight away. And the reason being is that once you've brightened your complexion, you are then setting up your skin to be the perfect canvas to then put on your serums and oils and moisturizers, so that it locks in as much moisture as possible, because the surface of the skin is where it needs to be. The other toner I really like by PIXI is, and it has won many awards, as has the vitamin C, is the Glow Tonic. It has 5% glycolic acid, which is an ingredient that you may or may not have heard of, that you need in your skincare. Exfoliating toner. Glycolic acid helps to resurface your skin. So a normal exfoliator that's got the beads in it, when you put it all over the skin, it helps to smooth out your skin. It takes off those dead skin cells. What the glycolic acid does is it helps to work deeper down by not stripping your skin, because it's only a really low percent, it's 5%, but it helps to almost resurface, just re-even out your skin. Sometimes, actually a lot of the time, I will use this on a job. If my client hasn't exfoliated their skin and it feels a little bit rough, I will go in with a glycolic acid to help smooth over, especially around that nose area and around the chin area, so then my makeup sits really beautifully on top. The question being, I guess, that you're asking me, and there are a lot more toners from this brand, by the way, these are just two that I love using. Do I need to use both? And the answer is yes, because you may use your brightening vitamin C toner in the morning and you may use your Glycolic Acid toner in the evening. Or if you have really sensitive skin like myself, I can only really use this, I can only really use it like a couple of times a week. Sensitivity to glycolic acids go hand in hand, unfortunately. So you have to use it, you know, quite sparingly. If I read on the back of it as well, there is no alcohol in this product, which is what I found from a previous brand from years gone by. There was alcohol in it. It was stripping my skin. This is not going to do that. It's going to exfoliate and brighten, revealing healthy glowing skin for all skin types, alcohol free. And it says you can use it morning or evening, but avoid your eye area. Your vitamin C tonic, I'm just reading what's on the back of it. Skin brightening, okay? Especially in the winter, we need that. Vitamin C has potent antioxidant power, promoting a healthy collagen production, and is known to boost skin luminosity. Probiotics help fortify skin barrier, while willow bark and fruit extracts gently exfoliate, and it is alcohol free. Use it daily after cleansing. So that's why I was saying this is a really good one for the daytime, and this one is a good time for the evening or a couple of times a week. Those would be my go-to toners. There are loads of toners out there. There are even toners that you just spray onto the face that do the same thing. What is the best toner for you? I would say just try them. Try one. Because you have an understanding of your skin type. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I talk a lot about understanding your skin. Once you understand your skin, you know what skincare products to use, what toner to use, what foundation to use, and so on. So for me, I know my skin sometimes needs brightening, so I would go to vitamin C, and I know that I love that extra glow and that extra brightening feel to the skin. And I like to exfoliate it around the nose because that's where foundation and everything can sit. So I love PIXI. You can go, you know, you can go and buy a £5 toner. You can go and buy a £80 toner. It's whatever works for you and your budget. Go and try a few different ranges. See what works for you. Comment below and let me know how you're getting on with it. I hope that's answered your questions on how and why to use toner. If anything, for me, I feel a lot more refreshed once I've used a toner. It's just really refreshing because the consistency is like water, basically. You know, it's a fluid consistency, and it's very refreshing. It makes you feel extra clean afterwards as well. So there we go. Anyway, guys, enjoy the rest of the day, and I will see you soon. Bye.